Yo, what's good, YouTube gang? You know what time it is, man. Dan is back in the building. Yeah, man, with the continuation of the war between Drake and Kendrick Lamar. You see me, I say we've been enjoying the war so far, gang. I've been dropping back-to-back videos for y'all. I hope y'all enjoying those. Make sure y'all hitting that like and subscribe button, alright? But yeah, we're back with another installation of the Drake versus Kendrick Lamar saga, man. You see me, we listen to Drop and Give Me 50 aka Push-Ups. We listen to Tailor Made, you feel me? Then we listen to Euphoria. Now, after Euphoria, Kendrick Lamar dropped 616 in LA. 616 in LA. Drake diss. People was going crazy because I believe he dropped this in less than 24 hours, and people were like, what the fuck? You just dropped, nigga? Now you dropped this? Bro, let's check it out and see what's going on, because the internet is in a frenzy right now, man. So we enjoying the ride. We like how Kendrick Lamar coming out shooting. People been saying this nigga missing for years, but this nigga dropping back to back. But yeah, man, we'll check this out. This is Kendrick Lamar 616 in LA. You look like he's stealing Drake timestamp move. You know what I'm saying? 616 in LA. Drake this. Let's get it, gang. Rap Nation. All right.
Yeah. There's survival. I think somebody lying.
This is survival. I think somebody lying. Come on.
Smell somebody lying. I don't see no fire.
I don't see no fire. I smell somebody lying. Oh.
Off-white Sunseeker had the marina. Fuck a phantom, I like to buy yachts when I get the fever. Wine cooler spill.
I said half-white Sunseeker. Wait, what? Hold on. He's starting off a bit strong with this one. Come on.
Off-white Sunseeker had the marina. Fuck a phantom, I like to buy yachts when I get the fever. Wine cooler spill on my white t-shirt, the sightseer. Trifecta, money, morals, and culture. That's my leisure, my visa. Passport tatted, I shall hub in Ibiza. Luke Callie's dwellings in Brooklyn just to book me some pizza.
Passport tatted, that's a hub in Ibiza. What?
Who can reach us? Only God can teleport this type of freedom. God, my confession is yours. But who am I if I don't go to war?
Only God can teleport this type of freedom, bro. You see me? My confession. Woo.
My confession is yours. But who am I if I don't go to war? There's opportunity when living with loss. I discover myself would not fall short. Raise my hands to a fallen sky.
There's opportunity when you discover loss. I find opportunity whenever I fall short. Alright.
I fantasize me jumping planets, immortalized. I correspond. 3 angels watching me all the time. Put my children to sleep with a prayer, then close my eyes. Definition of peace. Tell me who gon' stop me. I come from.
Put my children to sleep with prayers. Definition of peace. Alright.
Love, Estelle, cover my heart, then open me up. Remember when, picked up a pen, lyrics that I can trust. Timid soul, staring in the mirror, asking where I was from often. I know this type of power is gon' cost, but I live in circadian rhythms of
Alright, you just can go in. I haven't heard a specific Drake disses yet. But he's talking about how, you know, he's at peace. You see me, and say, oh, you know, I'm free because God bless him. You see me, he can put in kids them to sleep, teach them how to pray and go. You see me, that's what I'm hearing. Basically, he's saying Drake don't got this inner peace, you know, this peaceful life like he's trying to. That's what I'm getting from this. You see me, you know nothing about raising him with them, you know, live a normal life, having a family. That's what I'm getting so far.
A shooting star, the mannerisms of Raphael. I can heal and give you art, but the industry's cooked as I pick the carcass apart. Yeah, somebody's lying, I can see the vibes on act. Even he looking compromised. Let's peel the layers back.
That's a DJ. That's a DJ. I can't even do it. You see? The industry's compromised. I can see the vibes on Mac. Ooh, alright. Damn, me trying to say, yo, act. Drake got you in the pocket, bro. Got you on the payroll. Alright.
Ain't no brownie points will be in your chest, harassing ant. Fucking with good people, make good people go to bed. Conspiracies about cash, dog, that's not easy.
Said fucking with good people, make good people go. Yeah, that's right.
In the leak, find the Jews like cash, dog. I just need you to think. Are you finally ready to play? Have you ever, let's see, have you ever thought that OVO is working for me? Fake bully, I hate bullies. You must be a terrible person. Everyone inside your team is whispering that you deserve.
ever thought that OVO is working for me, man? He's putting thoughts out there in people's head. You see me, man, say I hate bullies. You see me hate bully them. You see me, I say I'm gonna like,
Can't Tootsie slide about it. This one is just going. Thought that OVO is working for me. Fake bully, I hate bullies. You must be a terrible person.
Man say fake bully, I hate bullies. You must be a terrible person.
One inside your team is whispering that you deserve it. Can't Tootsie slide about it. This one is just gonna resurface.
Everybody on your team is screaming you deserve it. There's a mole in OVO, bro. There's a mole in OVO, Drake. You gotta cut the grass, bro. Yeah, man, there's snakes in your grass, bro. You gotta cut that grass, nigga. You know what I'm saying? Yeah, man, chop off some of that snake.
Gotta have his day. Now living your purpose. It was fun until you start to put money in the streets. Then lost money cause they came back with no receipts. I'm sorry that I live.
It's funny till you put money in the streets and they lost money cause they came back with no receipts. So I don't know if he's trying to say, nigga, Drake trying to put money on his head. You feel me? I don't know if he, Drake paying some boys to do something. I don't know if that's what he's trying to say. That's what the niggas lost money because they ain't spent the block. They couldn't get it. You know, they come back empty-handed. Right.
For boring life, I love peace, but war ready if the world is ready to see you bleed. The Elohim KTW.
Yeah, I love peace and that nigga, but I'm war ready if the world ready to see you bleed, bro. You know what I'm saying? You know what I'm saying?
No, you can't sleep. These images trouble you. Know the wires in your circle should puzzle you. If you were street smart, then you would have caught that your entourage is only to hustle you. 100 niggas that you got.
I say if you're street smart, you'd realize that your entourage is only to hustle you, bro. You know what I'm saying? Damn. Them niggas ain't your real friends, bro. Them niggas there for a paycheck, cut. Right.
Salary, and 20 of them want you as a casualty, and one of them is actually next to you, and 2 of them is practically tired of your lifestyle. Just don't got.
One of them want you as a casualty, you know. One of them is actually next to you, you know. Right? No. I'm gonna want to see how you see you dead. Yeah.
Audacity to tell you, but let me tell you some game, cause I can see you, my little homie. You playing dirty with propaganda, hit blow up on you. You playing nerdy with Zach Bia and Twitter bots.
Say you my homie, so I'm gonna let you know, dog. You playing dirty with propaganda, that shit will blow up on you, bro. Cause I can create propaganda too. I can see a whole lot of which is what Dre doing it, which is what Kendrick doing right now.
But your reality can't hide behind Wi-Fi. Your little means is losing steam. They figured you out. The first opinions is not convincing. Y'all need a new route. It's time that you look around on who's around you.
Him is not convincing, bro. They figured you out, buddy. You see me? You gotta find a new thing, dog. I can't tweet out of this and Tootsie slide out of this, my G. I can't meme myself out of this, bro, and quote yourself out of this. You have to rap out of this. I ain't gonna lie, Drake gotta go crazy on Kendrick, bro. Right now, fuck the truth. You see me? I say you need a Jada King, bro. Drake, link Jada, bro. Link Jada. Nah, see up Kendrick dirty about bucklat, man. Link Jada, Drake. Let's see my video. Link Jada Kingdom. Yes. That's what you need right now, bro. You need Jada Kingdom ghost right for you, brother. You see me? Yeah, man, you hear something about Buckley, but I mean, you say Kendrick Lamar, but he will church up. You know what, Mr. Bro, cause Kendrick Lamar. Cause Jada say, yo, pussy, stay pussy big like London Bridge, dog. That's fucked up, bro. Jada King, that was a good one, bro. You feel me? Go link Jada, bro. You get so, you know what I'm saying? Jeez, I'm pissed. Jada King is like, yo, it's the panty front stretch. Me done. But Drake, link up Jada Kingdom, bro. Why you gotta diss this man, bro? You can't rap this man no more. I have to cuss out the brother, yeah, brother. You see me? I have to trace this nigga now, bro. This man said too much, bro. You see me? You can't keep it logical. You can't keep it. Yeah, you can't. You gotta be emotional at this point, bro. I'm sorry. This emotions you have to work off and now, Drake. You have to get in your feelings, brother. You see me? Nah, man, you understand, but I say you be logical. Nah, man, you have to nasty up the brother, yeah, brother. Nah, man, the man said too much and a lie, man, I tell upon you to, you know, dog. You see me? That make it even worse. But when man say lie, them so convincing, bro. Yo, let's go link up Jada Kingdom, bro. That's how I can't do for you right now. You see me? If not Jada, go link up DeMarco. DeMarco will make you laugh off Kendrick, you know. Yeah, man. Drake go link up DeMarco. DeMarco will make people laugh after Kendrick blood clot. You see me? I say, yeah, man, that, but let's continue, gang.
Before you figure that you're not alone, ask what Mike would do.
gotta go, bro. Go. I tell you, bring Jada Kingdom or the Marcus. Are you straight, bro? I'm telling you. Cartel they are Jesus, cartel can help you on the clash there. You see me? Yeah, man. Even Alka can help you out. You see me? Yeah. Yeah, man. Kendrick Lamar. 616 in LA. You see me? I said the boy went in, man. Boy went in. Drake. Between you for 616 in LA, man, I'm gonna need you to just. Yeah. Yeah, man, you have to go do the dirt, bro. You have to go do the dirt, man. Kendrick I go to hard, bro. Back to back, bro. Man, I'm gonna get a chance to reply or answer. You see? Man, I give ghostwriter no chance to work, brother. Yeah, man. But I think Kendrick will have this plan. The only reason I wouldn't say he have his plan because he's mentioned recent songs names. So if Kendrick really happened in the booth, nigga, and just penning out these 6 minutes bomber class song, yeah, I'm straight spitting, nigga. Just a nasty up. This thing got info on you, bro. I don't think Kendrick got that much info on you. I just think Kendrick is creative and smart enough and has enough depth to where he can take the 3 little things them we know about you and just stretch them out. Let's be honest. Kendrick didn't really say nothing different from what Pusha T, Rick Ross, Meat Mill. Kendrick not saying nothing different than what previous artists say. I'm saying Drake a idiot, Drake a no good father, Drake no black. That's what Kendrick is saying. But we Kendrick a say it, man, I elaborate. Man say, yo, alright, look, for instance, Drake not being a good father. They must say, yo, Drake that hide him youth. Kendrick come and say, alright, you hide a daughter. You hide a daughter too. I see anything my move like Pusha T. I'll find out that's not true. But where dog do, he man come on the next time and elaborate that. Man say, you don't know if a teacher you about spirit, you don't know nothing about that. Man say, wake up you for school, you don't know nothing about that. Teach him to pray, you don't know nothing about that. And then when they write a letter to the youth. So really, it's the same fucking info Kendrick is saying. Drake is a bad father. You see me? And my eye pick me. I see him info him I say, but the dog just spin it. You see me? They see him, oh, you're not a teacher, you don't even spin it. First he say, yo, you don't know if wake up you go to school, da. Then he write a letter to your dear Adonis, your father is a terrible father, and you're not a teacher, nothing, so some school. You see me? So, that just a, man just a, yo, yeah. And then man I take like shit that been said on the internet and just a spin it. Like, oh, Jake is a pedophile, is a P word. You see me? Because you know mess with Whitney Bobby or whatever the fuck. You see me? Before she was, that was a play upon those thoughts people already had in their head. You see me? People already had those thoughts and there's no proof about any of them. So that just a play upon that. It's what people think about you. You know, this is what some people think about. We're going to play on those negatives. That's what they do. And Drake need to do the same to his ass, bro. At this point, the truth doesn't matter. You see me? At this point, the truth doesn't matter. Who can nasty up who, man, and make who look the worst and make people laugh after them and say, yo, what the fuck? That's what I'm going right now. Fuck the lyric shit. You see me? Because people are dropped in the tea. Yo, my youth, Drake, you can expound upon enough things, bro. You see me? You can talk about, oh, Mr. Morale, when you talk about the wife, and bro, you can elaborate on it. Say him. We no business about the truth, bro. Paint it like him, blood clean. We don't care. You see me? Enough people don't know in life for real. You see me? The whole beating up him girlfriend thing, nigga. Elaborate on that ras. Make up a scenario. We no business, bro. You see me? Say dog turn up on our throat or sitting and jump in our belly. You see me? We no business, dog. If it does not stop it, dog. That dog not tell lie, man. I call you Epstein in a dog. Right now, you need to come back and say, bro, don't try me like that. Are you the on the Epstein list? That's what you've been missing. Bro, come on. You need some conspiracy theory, Drake. Come on. Hit me up, bro. I'll give you some lines, bro. Me make Kendrick afraid for show him face, bro. You see me? Before you say, yo, Kendrick missing for years, can he dip on the Epstein Island? Before you tell him saying dip on the list, bro, people don't know. Bro, come on. Drake, bro. The truth doesn't matter at this point. Who can dirty of who right now? I'm not done dirty opinion, bro. So right now, you shouldn't even worry, bro. All gloves are off. Man call you pedophile. Man say you're trying to eat a A minor. Drake, this man fucking up your reputation, bro. You just gotta go crazy with it. You see what I'm saying? Yeah, man. But gang, let me know one thing about the one. I've been on the rant, bro. But at this point, Drake, all is fair in love and war, bro. Yeah, man. Everybody can get it. Kids can get it. Wives can get it. Family can get it, nigga. Go at everybody. Everybody, you got bread, bro. Pay for some info, bro. Go at everybody neck, nigga. You know what I'm saying? Yeah, man. But there's thing in there. There's thing in a Kendrick history. What you can talk about. I tell the dog say, man, I'm still a drug addict. I say, the good thing, man, listen, say, yo, tweaking off of angel dust and all that shit. Nigga, you can drug head, drug addict, bad parent, bad husband. Nigga, you can. Drake, you gotta get with it, man. Get with it, man. But yeah, man, we know anything about the one I have up on a ramble. I'm liking the clash, but Drake, I've got dirty up K-Dot, dog. As if K-Dot are doing thing, guy, I know anything about the one day. I don't know if I like it. Definitely go show the artist and love and support. You know, say Jambisco dancing, you know, man. You don't know. Yeah. And we'll lit with it, man. We more active, bro. Hella videos dropping today. Videos dropping tomorrow and the day after that and the day after that, bro. We're active now. Energy and everything feel right. We back at it, gang. Y'all already know what time. Next time, take care of yourself and each other. Love you guys.
On the play me DJ, I wanna rap. I'm a blood clot DJ, I'm a shot selector boy.